Hey traders, Friday, February 24th, 9:29 a.m. The market's about to open. We're going to do the morning ideas here anyway. Okay, so very, very difficult whipsaw action kind of. We were looking yesterday, talked about it in the morning ideas, and I posted some stuff on Instagram yesterday of the market, looking for the market to get down into this 70 area right here, 67, 68. You see where it is right here. It's the VPOC of this very, very large area we've been in since April of last year. And so what it looked like yesterday is it looked like if the market could sell a little bit in the morning, which it did, and I was in a position from like here, 4018-ish, that we would get down into that area, especially because of the momentum. However, we got the momentum taking us down, 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 and 2 points from my target, a point and a half from my target, the market turned around, turned back up, 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 and I ended up taking this trade off for a loss. A trade that was up with one contract, almost $2,000, ended up being a loser for me. That's just the way trading is. Expected to get to an area, don't deviate from the plan. If nothing has changed, and nothing had changed, other than we usually don't get these V-shaped reversals, ended up losing money on this trade. Just to watch the market come right there overnight. So a bit of a education in the frustration that the market can cause and create if you allow it. And then overnight, we've been below the VWAP the whole time, and we put a lot of volume off of on the low. So we've just opened, so the volume is going to tick up now, and it's at about 100%. So do we go lower? I don't know. The market's kind of been fooling me here a little bit. However, I do know that this is a very big area. 67, where the market is trading right now, is a very, very thick area. You can see it on my cross here on the left. And in these areas, the market gets stuck, right? It gets you get it's sticky to this area. So what I would expect to see is if the market moves below that, okay, so if we start lower, we'll likely keep coming back to this where this VPOC is being put in around. This VPOC is being put in at 67. Look on this panel at 67. On the bottom right panel at 67 is the same as over here. It's the same area, right? And I wouldn't be surprised at the end of the trading day today for the VPOC for today to be the same as the VPOC for the last 10 months, because the market has a memory, and this is a very, very heavily traded area, and will likely continue to be that. The other option is that we bounce from this area and start moving back towards 4170 to take another run at it. It's almost like we try to get out the top, we pull back, bounce off a VWAP, and then we try again. Okay, so I think it will be it looks like it's a trendy environment overnight, but I think any move lower will get the market will kind of get stuck and likely keep coming back to 67. And if we can catch a bid, we may start moving back up into trying to get ourselves back up into that 4170 first. We would have, some intermediaries like 4100 first. I'm just trying to look at this as a map and see where are we on the map and like what are we likely to do next. Okay. Again, yesterday was a really good example of how trading can be frustrating. You got the market pegged almost perfectly, and the market turns around a point from your target, and the delta on that from what I was up versus what I closed it at was probably $3,000 on one contract. So that's just the way it is. If you let that affect you into the next trade, then that's how things start to spiral out of control for you as a trader. Okay, so I'll leave it at that. We're overdue here. It's 9:33. You guys are probably already trading. I'm going to get you guys this now.